older your roof is, the less money they're going to owe for it. Right, here are some common red flags that we see in policies, and as a homeowner, you really don't want. They're not saving you enough in premium to be worth it, because when you have a claim, you're going to end up paying. So let's start at the scheduled roof replacement. Instead of owing to replace your roof, the older your roof is, the less money they're going to owe for it. And it sure, it saves you some premium, but the if you can go 20 years without putting in a claim, and now all of a sudden you have damage and you need your insurance company to pay, they're likely to only owe about 25% of whatever it costs to redo your roof. And that's just not fair. Functional replacement cost is a provision where the insurance company owes you for Home Depot minimum. So think of it more interior, for like your walls and floors. So instead of getting paid for plaster and lath, they're going to pay for drywall, which doesn't sound like a big deal, but now start talking about other things, custom cabinetry, hardwood floors, things like that. You're going to be owed wood cabinets. You're going to be owed vinyl linoleum instead of your cork or Brazilian cherry floor. A percentage deductible is a newer phenomena in the world of deductibles. Instead of having $1,000 deductible or a $1,500 deductible, some homeowners will have a 1% deductible or a 0.5% deductible. And well, a 0.5% of what? Well, it's a 0.5% of your overall coverage on your home. So your coverage A amount. So if it costs $400,000 to rebuild your home and you have a 1% deductible, you have a $4,000 deductible. And that's not the bad part. The bad part is, because of inflation, most homeowners insurance policies have inflation guard, meaning coverage A will go up every year to to kind of match or keep up with inflation, just in case you have a loss and there's some inflationary pressures. But it goes up every year, and if you can imagine, after 10 or 20 years, you finally put in an insurance claim, how high your deductible could be, and you're not going to find out until you have a claim and it's too late. Uh, Another thing we're seeing is a separate deductible altogether for wind and hail or hurricane or tornadoes. It's usually larger than your normal deductible, and it's usually 8%. So if you can get rid of these percentage ones, get a flat dollar amount so they don't go creep up on you every year. If you see that in your declarations page, reach out to your agent. If you want to know what's in your policy, we offer a service where we give you some advice to go back to your agent and fix. Go to my website, insuranceclaimguide.com, answer a couple questions, and we'll let you know.